Alright, welcome back guys. We got the new shifter, well, used shifter. I ended up going to a junkyard and got this thing for $15 as opposed to $90 brand new from the dealership. I figured it was worth a gamble, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna work. Big difference being, so my old one, this thing would come down but not come back up. You'd have to pull it up, and that was in order to get my keys out. This one, as you can see, comes back up right away, and you hear that little clicking sound. So I'm pretty sure this is gonna work. Can't go wrong for 15 bucks, so might as well. It's pretty easy, just 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3. There's another one on the side here, and that's it. So put it together and see if it works. Alright, I got the new shifter in. I haven't bolted it down yet. I just connected the shift cable here. I'm gonna plug back in the harness. We're gonna see if it works. Alrighty. Yep. Neutral. Drive. Awesome. There you have it, folks. 15 bucks. That's it.